Today is, as I said, mascara tips for better, how about perfect, application. Hello, beautiful. I am Lisa DeLigori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty, a smaller, more personal, clean beauty brand. Hi, good morning. Cheryl, you have plenty of time? I hear you. Let's play with mascara. I know you probably have questions. I would love to hear what questions you have as you're applying. Hello and hi. As you're applying your mascara and you're like, am I doing this right? How is this correct? How can I do X better or get better results? Let's talk about that. But I'm going to give you 8 tips, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think you're going to like it. All right, so first tip is curl your lashes. I know it's one extra step. Tell me, do you own a lash curler? And A, that's part A, and B, do you use it whenever you apply your mascara? Are you just not gonna bother? I have to confess that there were a lot of years where I just didn't bother. And then I picked it up again, and now I'm back in the habit of using a lash curler every time I put my mascara on, virtually every time. There are those days, right? So a lash curler is crucial. It opens up your eyes more, curling your lashes, opens up your eyes more, makes you look more awake. So that's important. But that said, tip 2 is curl your lashes before your mascara. Have you ever heard it said to curl your lashes after your mascara? If you have, ignore it because you're likely to pull out lashes. And one thing we don't want is less lashes. And if you curl before your mascara, and I'm going to do that next, it's when you apply your mascara on, it's like a setting. It's like almost, like you apply hairspray, you're setting your lashes. And you're setting your curl. All right, so let's do that. Let's see, should I go on to tip 3? Nope, I'll get there. All right, so now I want you to know that normally when I do my mascara, and as you see, I don't have any mascara on. Normally when I do my mascara, hold on. Okay, Cheryl, you're saying first your right eye is so hooded. Yeah, and you can never get them to match your eyelashes on the right eye, they touch the hood. Yeah, I know. That is a tricky one. Okay, so first of all, getting them to match. We're not even on both sides. We're just not. And your lashes are gonna grow differently on both sides. My right eyelashes, One Mite's Lash Serum is working, and those of you in the VIP group, we're going through the hashtag Grow Your Lashes With Me series. And when my lashes are growing really well, the right eye has a couple of lashes in the middle that are really, really long and not on the left eye. So you've just got to play with that. You can customize your look, maybe try to apply more mascara. It's a tricky one. And then as far as them touching, that is also a tricky one. Let's walk through this and we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so normally what I was going to say, when I do my eyes, I have, let me see if I can move this. Dare I move this so that you can see my 10X. Okay, let's see. There, my 10X mirror. That is what I use when I'm applying my mascara. Okay, turning back. And what about fall lashes? That we're going to do in another video. Great question. I definitely want to go over false eyelashes. We will do that, but not this one. Okay, so I normally use this. So I want you to know ahead of time that I won't be able to see my eyelashes. Cheryl, you're done. More questions are great. Don't worry about it. That I can't actually see my eyelashes with this little mirror. So I'm blind, so not really. But so just bear with me on that. So I am going to curl my lashes. I'm going to start at the base, and then I'm going to hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I'm going to stop, and I'm going to go back and go maybe towards the middle and curl again and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. Now, if you have very long lashes, you could probably pull it out again and curl and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. My lashes only have room for 2 curls. So, all right, here we go. At the base, can you see? Yes. I cannot see my lashes. We're just gonna have faith. I'm gonna curl at the base and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll just do that. I'm gonna take it off. I hope you can see that they are curled a little. I'm gonna go out a little bit and curl again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll just do 10. Now I'm immediately going to put my mascara on. Okay, next tip is if you get a lot of gook on your mascara, wipe the tip off or any extra mascara formula into the tube, because if you don't, that's where you get clumping and goopiness. A trick, lightly heat curler with blow. Yes, Cheryl, actually, thank you. That was on my notes. You can definitely heat your curler with your blow dryer. And I never do, because my blow dryer, my outlet are over there, my lashes, my mascara, my curler's over here, but it is a great tip and it works, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to start at the base, I'm hoping you can see this, and go up. I'm going to wiggle the wand to get mascara onto the base of the lashes. Looking better already. I like having mascara on, don't you? Okay, are you wearing mascara these days? That's something that if I want to feel good, I will put mascara and brows on, even if I'm home all day, which I am. And I am just wiggling it and working it through. Now I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to let this dry and go to the other side. Now, this mascara I'm using is and you know I love this, the Ilia mascara. It has a wonderful rose aroma, essential oil of rose, and it does drama lashes, and it stays on really well, and it doesn't fall off. So love that. That's just one coat. All right, let's do the other eye. We're gonna do this again. And Anna, I'm struggling with mascara. My old formula was discontinued and I'm not happy with the new. I know. I try very hard not to discontinue products, but sometimes it has to. But I know you're not talking about mine, but I just wanted to throw that out there because it's so frustrating. So I highly recommend this mascara. I do not sell the Ilia mascara in my shop, but I am an affiliate for it. So and I use it. So I can put the link where you can get that. Mascara is a really personal product, and everyone likes a different one. Then there's thousands of them out there. So a new one's coming all the time. You just have to play and experiment, and this is a great time to do that. So I know your pain. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna curl at the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take them off and go back in and curl again a little further out. Okay. If you're talking, I can't see it yet, but I'll get there. I hope it doesn't go away before I get to look. And let's say that's 10. Okay. Remember, you're going to clump any off. Thanks. I'd love a link to try it, definitely. Let's see. Here's the other tip. Don't do this. Don't pump. You're just putting air into the tube and your mascara is going to dry out quicker. Instead, if you want more mascara on the brush, on the spoolie, you just twist it, okay? Take it out. If you got too much, just wipe it off on the edge of the tube. Okay, let's do the other side. Can you see? Oh, and I meant to do this. There we go. Okay, so now I'll turn a little bit. All right. Again, I can't see. That's my other recommendation, is use a 10x mirror, magnifying mirror when you're applying mascara, concealer, eye makeup of any kind, if you wear eyeglasses. Even if you don't, even if you have that lovely 20/20 vision that so many of us used to have. Okay, so just keep in mind, I cannot see what I'm doing. Wait, there is a little magnifying on the, that was the magnifying. Still not working. Okay, I need a little mini 10X. I wonder if they make those. If anyone knows, let me know. Okay, so I, again, was going at the base, working it through, bringing out the formula as I go along. All right, so you're not going to pump it, you're going to twist it, all right? Remember that? Now, this is where, Cheryl, when you said your eyes were uneven, you want to customize your look. So, uneven eyes, more mascara on one side than the other. Eyes that are far apart, more mascara on the inside. Close set eyes, more mascara on the outside. So I'm going to get more mascara. Now, I like mascara. I like emphasis on the outer edge, so I always do more out here. Now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to work on a little bit, applying a little bit more mascara. When you're applying your mascara, you want it to dry a little bit in between layers, but not too much. Okay, so there's that fine line, so just going back and forth. Now I'm also going to go to the tips on the inside and then go back the other way. So again, I like to emphasis on the outside, but you may like emphasis on the inside. I'm going to go get more mascara and go to the other side. Okay, so here I'm getting my emphasis. And different mascara wands have different sides. So use the brush and see what it can offer you. Okay, I tend to not go too much on the inside because it just smudges on my inner eye. But you may not have that issue. That might not be a problem. Everyone is built differently. So that's why this is a really good time to experiment. Okay, mascara. Now, lower lashes. I am going to bring out my healthy mascara that I do sell in the shop. Now, both of these are very clean brands. If you have sensitive eyes, you could probably wear both of them. I sell this mascara, people buy it in 2s and 3s. It's a very clean brand and it's a very delicate brand. So in other words, look, this one, Ilya, brings drama. So decide what you like. This one is just a very nice, I call it a very dainty, very sweet application. It does not bring drama. So decide what you like. Might be nice to have both, because this one is really lovely on those days where you're not going anywhere. You just want a little bit of eyelashes and it's beautiful. I'm going to use it right now. I'm going to get the extra off on my lower lashes. Lower lashes, you want to hold the brush vertically as opposed to what we were doing on our upper lashes, and you're going to window wiper back and forth. Now, I don't have a lot of lower lashes. Maybe you do, lucky you. I don't. And in fact, on my outer corner, on my right eye, talking to you, Cheryl, about not being even, I don't even have any lashes. So, okay, so I'm going to do that funny look. And again, I can't really see. And I realize I'm not holding it like that. I'm holding it at an angle, back and forth. So I don't even try to get lashes on the outer edge because I don't have any there. So what is your situation? Okay, and here. Okay. I'm going to actually take the other mascara so you can see it, because probably can't see too much on camera there. It's too far away. Oh, really hard to do without the 10X. Okay. There you go. All right. If you smudge, let it dry. Don't try to take a smudge while it's off, while it's wet. You're just going to turn it into a smear instead of a smudge. Wait for it to dry, then take a Q-tip, maybe even dampen it so that you don't get little fibers, and wipe it off that way. Okay, that was lower lashes. 2 more tips. One is to remove your mascara fully at night. because you may even think that you've gotten most of it off, but if you have some left on, it can fall to the skin, it can clog pores, it can irritate, it can cause an infection. And you don't want any of that. You don't want to mess with an eye infection. Really, really important. So make sure you get all your mascara off. My favorite method is the 3-in-1 wash away. And as you've seen me talk about before, my reusable organic cotton pads. I can also link to that. So I'm not going to do it right now. Be a good tutorial for another day, how to remove your makeup. We'll do that. And you would apply and then remove your eye makeup with that. Very easy to do. It smells really good and done. But make sure you get all your mascara off every evening before you go to sleep. Now, last tip is a new mascara wand. I say every 3 to 4 months. Don't go as long as 6 months. And here's why. Even if you only use your mascara once a week and you're only wearing it once a week, it still harbors bacteria. It's moist and dark in these tubes. So you want to make sure that you toss it every 3 to 4 months, even if you still have mascara left in that tube. Again, you want to avoid infections and irritations around the eyes. Nasty, you just don't want to go there. Invest in a new mascara at minimum every 4 months, or I should say at most. I'm not sure how to say that. And don't carry it in your purse. And there it gets even warmer and breeds more bacteria. So make sure you replace your mascaras. And that is how to apply mascara. I hope that was helpful.